If you work with points in AutoCAD, changing the point style is one of the easiest ways to make your drawing clearer and easier to read. In this video, I'll show you how to change point style in AutoCAD step by step, and I'll also show you how to adjust the point size so your points appear exactly the way you want them on the screen and in your drawing. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. This can be an existing project or a new file, as long as you're inside the drawing workspace and ready to make changes. Once your drawing is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Home tab. The Home tab contains many of the most commonly used tools, so this is usually where you'll start for quick drafting settings. After that, go to the Utilities panel. If you don't see it right away, just look across the Home tab ribbon until you find the section labeled Utilities. This panel includes helpful tools for managing drawing settings and object display. Inside that panel, click Point Style. This will open the Point Style dialog box, which gives you control over how points appear in your AutoCAD drawing. Now that the Point Style dialog box is open, you'll see several point shape options. Select the desired point shape based on how you want points to display. AutoCAD gives you different styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your workflow, whether you want a simple dot, a cross, or another visible marker. Picking the right point style can make it much easier to identify and work with point objects in your drawing. Next, adjust the point size. You'll usually have two options here, relative size or absolute size. If you choose relative size, the point will scale based on the screen view, which can be useful when zooming in and out. If you choose absolute size, the point will stay at a fixed size, which can be helpful when you want consistent visibility. Choose the option that works best for your drawing needs and the way you prefer to review your design. Once you've selected the point shape and adjusted the size, click OK to apply the changes. AutoCAD will update the point display immediately, so you can see the result right away in your drawing. If the points still don't look quite right, you can always repeat the steps and try a different shape or size until you get the appearance you want. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change point style in AutoCAD and adjust point size in just a few simple steps. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how clean and usable your drawing looks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.